In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TikTok sounds to CapCut on PC. We'll use the CapCut editor in your web browser so you can follow along on any Windows or Mac computer. First, open your browser and go to CapCut.com. From the home page or your workspace, start a fresh project by choosing blank canvas. This opens the editor with a clean timeline, which makes it easy to focus on your audio and video without distractions. Next, import the video you want to edit. Click Import, select your file, and then add it to your workspace by dragging it down to the timeline. You'll see your clip laid out at the bottom, the preview window on the right, and the Tools panel on the left. If your clip is muted or too loud, don't worry, we'll fine-tune audio levels after we pick the sound. On the left side panel, click Audio. This is where CapCut organizes music, sound effects, and featured libraries. You'll notice Search and several categories that help you quickly locate trending sounds. In the search bar, select TikTok. This filters the library to TikTok sounds that are ready to use inside CapCut. Using this built-in source makes it much faster than downloading audio separately, and it helps you stay aligned with platform trends. Now, click TikTok to open that collection and choose your TikTok music. Hover over any track to preview it. When you find a sound that fits your video, add it to your project, either by clicking Add or by dragging it onto the audio track in your timeline. Place the start of the sound exactly where you want the beat or vocal to hit. You can trim the ends by dragging the handles, split the clip to match cuts, and adjust volume in the audio controls so it blends with any original camera audio. If playback stutters, let the timeline render for a moment or lower preview quality. Your export will be full quality. Availability of some tracks can vary by region and usage rights, so always choose sounds you're permitted to use for your content. That's all you need. Go to CapCut.com, start with a blank canvas, import your video, open audio, pick TikTok in search, then select the track you want. You're ready to edit to the beat and post with confidence. For precision, zoom into the timeline to line up beats with cuts, and use the playhead snapping to keep everything tight. Remember to save your project as you go so you don't lose changes.